guys, kakaiba dito ang pag-change oil. Hinihigop po yung oil mula doon sa ano, oh, galing. Ganda. Yan o, pag-change oil po yan. So, makikita po natin ang change ang oil. Nasa plastic. Galing naman. Super ganda. First time namin itong makita mag-change ng oil. Napupunta doon. Ang galing-galing naman. So ayun guys, hindi natin Ayan guys, nilalagay na po yung new na oil. Ang galing.
No, I was in ROTC in high school and that was enough for me. Hey, on a carrier though.
Galing-galing. So ayan guys, tapos na po. Galing-galing. So ayun, oh yan.
So we're on a,
yan po yung mga
first,
oil na nandun. Pipili lang po kung anong gusto pong oil. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy niyo pong pagsubaybay sa ating mga video.
That's it.
Ayan, patuloy po natin mag-upload po ng mga
20,000
video
miles.
na mga kakaiba at mga nakaka-excite at very enjoyable po. Have fun watching all my
15,000,
video.
okay.
Thank you so much
I'll
and
keep that in
have a
mind.
good day.
More importantly is how many miles I got left on my brakes. Are you guys going to look at that?
Say what? No alignment.